Hi, welcome back to Mama Jasmine's Food Journey. And today's recipe is an amazing hot chocolate that surprisingly enough is really easy to make in a rice cooker. I didn't want to bring out my crock pot because I'm going to use that in another recipe. And it was so much faster to use the rice cooker to get the chocolate where I needed to get and to have a nice, amazing cafe mocha this morning. So stay tuned for the video. The great thing about this recipe is that you can raid your pantry because I'm pretty sure you have a majority of this in here. I want to say the one thing you probably don't have, I don't know that many people that keep it completely on hand, is cinnamon sticks. But we have two types of chocolate, semi-sweet and milk chocolate, condensed milk, regular 2% milk, and then I did a mix of vanilla and a mix of almond extract, but you could do just vanilla if you want. So in the rice cooker, I have it already set to warm, so I added my milks just to kind of get it a little bit of a head start. Then I'm going to go for my extract blend. You can also use peppermint if you want a peppermint hot chocolate, but I kind of want to really focus on cinnamon being the primary flavor, so just those little bit of extracts. And I want to say it's about 1/4 of a teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon. You do not have to go crazy with this extract. So now I mix all three of those ingredients together, and I just use the same rice paddle that goes with the cooker. And then I add in my chocolate chips. These ones are semi-sweet, so that's about a cup that I measured out. And then this is 2 XL candy bars. So it came up to about 8 ounces of the milk chocolate. So last but not least, after I give this another stir, of course, and get it kind of just incorporated under the milk. Not really incorporated. We're going to say submerged. Submerged under the milk. We're going to take cinnamon stick. And it took me legit 5 minutes to get it. And I had to grab a fork and just shimmy it. So you missed it. I definitely edited out the struggle. But the struggle was in fact real. I cannot get that cinnamon stick out. But now we got it. And then I move it down to cook. So what I loved about this is the rice cooker uses, I want to say weight to finish the product. So when I did it in the rice cooker, it only took 20 to 30 minutes to melt all the chocolate and to get this where I needed to go. So now that the rice cooker clicked it automatically to warm, I'm going to whisk with the cinnamon stick still in. And I'm getting all of the chunks at the bottom that haven't quite melted down. It will, I promise, melt down though. It's just getting it incorporated with a bit of milk. Now, it looks like pretty much a step before ganache. Am I right? I'm not trying to drink that. I know you're not trying to drink that. So we're actually going to add in some more milk to give it that creamy consistency that we're looking for. But before we do that, let's go ahead now that it's incorporated and get that cinnamon stick out of our chocolate mixture, which is why those 2 nasty bowls are still sitting there. And what I like to do is take a little bit of the warm liquid and put it into the cold milk so that it tempers. So then we're not getting almost a shock to the chocolate. So we're going to mix it together with a little bit of the warm chocolate. Then you know, of course, what to do from here. We're going to pour the entire mixture in here. So I'm going to pour till it's about half of the mixture and then whisk it together and then pour the second half in a couple seconds after I get this completely incorporated. I feel like I'm saying incorporated a lot in this video. Like today's word is incorporated. Normally it's delicious. I notice in my videos I say delicious and easy a lot. I gotta go like read a dictionary or something and find out some new words. But yeah, there you go. Other side of the milk. So now that it's all mixed together, you're gonna go ahead and put a lid on it until you're ready to serve. When you are ready to serve, you just bring over the toppings of your choice. So for my first initial hot chocolate setup, I did straight hot chocolate. So I mixed it together, poured it in, and then I have some frozen whipped cream that I'm going to top this with. I hope you can smell this hot chocolate through the camera. It smells phenomenal. So basically with that little bit of vanilla, with the almond and the cinnamon, and like I said, the almond you can omit, you can just do vanilla and cinnamon. And the 2 types of milk, it just makes it a great consistency and just a great rich mouthfeel. After I get all the hot chocolate that I'm thinking that I want, I go ahead and put the frozen whipped cream on top, just because I know it's going to melt into the coffee, or not the coffee, the hot chocolate. And now that I got that, I drizzle a little bit of syrup, chocolate syrup on the top, just to make it fancy. You can also probably dash a little bit of cinnamon on the top, since you put cinnamon in it as well. Just whatever your preference is. But for this morning, I want a cafe mocha. So that's what I did. I basically did half hot chocolate, half coffee. Now, hope you have a great morning. Enjoy this recipe. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye.